going to create two looks using the toothpick method. You need to make sure you have your base color on. It can be nude or any light pink shade. Then you need to take a bright pink polish and carefully draw some swirls with it. Think of it like an uneven French tip, and that means you don't have to be too precise with it either. Then, with a toothpick and some white polish, draw small hearts near the tip of the nail. Just 2 or 3 of them should be enough depending on the size of your nail. Then use the same toothpick to draw tiny dots randomly around the hearts. Once everything is dry to touch, apply your favorite top coat. Make sure to seal the edges as well for a long-lasting manicure. Let it dry completely and voila! An easy Valentine's Day manicure that just needed a toothpick and some polishes. The next nail art is a similar take on this technique using 2 complementary colors. Rachita here has picked a light lavender and a maroon burgundyish polish. Taking a blob of color on the toothpick, draw the hearts and polka dots. You can equally get creative and come up with your designs. Comment below your favorite of the two and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hey everyone and welcome to our channel. Rachita has created a nail art look specially for those who don't want to wear their hearts on their nail. Let's begin. To start with, we have this beautiful polish from El Corazon. It's a soft antique gold and perfect for the base of the nail art. We are going to apply 2 to 3 coats of the polish until the nail looks opaque. Once it's dry, we're going to grab our nail art brushes or our detail brushes and a chameleon polish from El Corazon and draw on the nails. Now slowly and carefully, we are going to start writing the word love on the thumb. Depending on the polish you've chosen, you may have to go over the words or the letters at least 3 to 4 times for it to be visible. So make sure the design you choose or the word is spaced out enough to accommodate the thick strokes. Apart from the word love, you can draw any other design like a heartbeat or swirls, anything. And that's it. A simple, non-traditional Valentine's Day nail art is ready. As usual, link to all the supplies that are used in this video are in the description below. For more such nail art tutorial videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today Rachita is going to show us how to do pink gradient nails that are perfect for Valentine's Day. To start off this manicure, we're going to apply 2 layers of base coat from El Corazon. This is one of the favorites of Team ILMP because of how effective it is at preventing your nails from yellowing because of a dark polish. It is also extremely long lasting and has a dry time of under 2 minutes, which is really good. The next step is to apply the lightest color of your gradient, which in this case is a white polish, as your base. Now you're going to take a sponge, which is the tool you need for gradient nails. A pro tip from Team ILMP is to use a sticky tape to remove the fibers from the sponge before you use it so that it doesn't stick to your nail. Now gradient nails can be a messy business and the best way to avoid it is to apply a liquid latex around the cuticle to save you from all that hassle. Then you're going to apply strips of different colored polish to the sponge. Since this is a gradient that goes from white to light pink to dark pink to almost red, Rachita has here used at least 4 to 5 polishes for a beautiful gradual blended look. Sponge can absorb a bit of the polish, so it's best to apply 2 layers of it before you start off. Now dab it on the nail and repeat the process until you get an opaque look. Make sure you pay special attention to the sides of the nails as well. Once you are done doing this on all of your nails, Carefully take a tweezer and remove the liquid latex. Some cleanup may still be required, so take a cleanup brush and dip it in acetone to carefully clean up those edges and cuticles. To make those gradient nails more unique, Rachita has added a flaky topper. And this is the final look. How do you like it? As usual, the list of all supplies used in this manicure is in the description below. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today we are going to show you how to recreate Rachita's vintage rose nail art. Let's begin. We're going to start by applying a base polish. We need this to be really light and minimal because we want the nail art and the roses to be the highlight of this design. Once you've got a nice opaque look on that base polish, which may require about 2 to 3 coats, grab your dotting tool and make some white polka dots on your nail. Now the trick is to start by aligning the dots from the center of the nail and then moving to the sides. This way the polka dot looks like a pattern and not random. You can add a clear top coat next to give it a nice even base for the design. For the roses, we are going to need a detail brush. We can start by applying 3 blobs on the corner of the nail. They need not be perfect circles because we want the flowers to look organic and authentic. With some red polish on the detail brush, add thin strokes to resemble a rose. You can add a few more details with pink polish as well. Now add the leaves on either side of the design. Add a little bit of white over there to give it some detail. Once everything is dry, add a layer of top coat to seal in all that hard work. Use a matte top coat which is perfect for the vintage vibe we are going for.
Let's kickstart Valentine's week with a teddy nail art. Let's get on to this amazing nail art done by Anshu with minimal amounts of tools. Once your base color is on, take some brown polish and a fine brush to draw the head of the teddy. To draw the circle, draw a plus sign and get it nice and even. Once a rough outline is done, you have to fill it in carefully. Make sure to work in sections to fill in the whole circle. This nail art is being done by Anshu and she is driven by perfection and is covering it completely. It's okay if the filling looks a little uneven since this will all be covered with a glossy top coat. Once you're happy with your circle, it's time to then draw the ears with a dotting tool. Drop it into the brown polish and put 2 even blobs as shown. Then use the back of a pencil to draw the heart that the teddy was holding. Just dip it in the pink color and blob away. Using a clean detailing brush, just go in and make the heart like she's doing it. Now you might think that freehand drawing is impossible, but honestly all it takes is a little practice and the right quality of tools. Little things like a good quality detailing brush and a smooth brown polish will really help you get here. As usual, the list of all the products required is mentioned in the description below. Fill it in carefully and there you go. Look at that cute heart. Now we're going to add a few details to the teddy. We'll draw the eyes using a dotting tool dipped in white polish and a cute face for our little bear. We will use the detailing brush to add white to the ears as well to give it some depth. Remember to clean your detailing brush between uses to easily draw and precisely draw it too. Now to add more shape and volume to the teddy, we're going to draw its cute little legs on either side of the heart. Now remember, the design is a teddy clutching the heart in its paws. Once we're done with its cute little legs and paws, we also add some white polish to it. Next, we go ahead and add more dimension to its eyes and give this teddy a cute little smile. After this, you can stop the nail art right here, or if you want to add a cute little message like Anshu did on the heart, it all depends on your level of skill. Once everything is dry, add a glossy plumping top coat and trust me, it's going to look so much prettier. If you want to make the nail art bombastic like she did, you can add more elements to it and also pair it up with a nice pink little manicure. And it looks so cute. Look at that thumb. For more such amazing content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and you know where to shop. ILMPypolish.com.